Hello, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. Further processing can consume a lot of water throughout the day and during sanitation. Here at Lyco, we are the recognized leader for helping food processors efficiently solve their liquid-solid separating needs. With our 33 years of screening application knowledge, we now have over 2,400 screens in food processing plants throughout North America. Externally fed screens work best for further processing plants that have a lot of breading, fat, oils, and greases, where externally fed screens fit these applications better than internally fed screens. The Lyco external screen design is ideal for total plant wastewater and helps reduce BODs, TSS, and TKN. We offer 4 different sizes, depending upon your flow rates and the screen openings required. Sizes range from 24-inch diameter by 4 feet long, all the way up to 36-inch diameter and 10 feet long. I'd like to highlight a few unique benefits of Lyco's externally fed screens. The entire design has been built with precision, heavy-duty construction for both the main frame and the main drum for lowest cost of ownership. A precise drum is key for the doctor blade that helps remove solids from the screen, which makes our design very efficient. Our unique doctor blade design fits very precise to the screen, and we ensure proper tension is automatically adjusted while the blade wears, helping remove any manual adjustment required by the operator. All of our externally fed screens are built with wedge wire, and typical openings for these screens are between 20 thousandths of an inch to 30 thousandths of an inch opening. Wedge wire is also more efficient and less apt to plug than perforated plates. Our screens have cleanout valves for cleaning out the head box, and the control panel is mounted right on the unit for easy installation. Some new options available are the following: a discharge chute to help direct the solids to a dumpster or handling system directly under the screen. Full covers are also now available that are hinged for easy access. So if you have any liquid solid separation needs, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.